Many of the defense stock gone up by almost 20 to 25% in last few days. Stocks like Cochin Shipyard, Bharat Dynamics, then Garden Shipyard, and all these stocks were beaten up by almost 50% earlier. You know that no defense rally was happening from last 2.5 years. No, वो 50% से गिर गए थे, but now again these stocks are coming up. So now is it now again the defense stock rally started? We'll talk about that in detail. So when we talk about all these stocks, no, of course they have a great future. Of course, this mega trend of defense is not going anywhere. It is going to continue for next 10 years, 20 years, because at the end of the day, no, government is going to deploy. See, by financial year 30, that is 2030, has been said almost 12 lakh 50,000 crore rupees of investment is going to happen in this sector. And you know these are all monopolies type of company. No, they all have a specialization. When we talk HAL, BEL, and all this coaching shipyard, biodynamics, Mezagon, and they have a specific area where they are catering in, and there they are getting big orders. When we talk about all these stock, this all these stock have at least 3 to 4 times of the annual sales order. Okay, तो उनके पास ऑर्डर की कोई कमी नहीं है. It is just the valuation game. We have to check every time where they are standing. Okay, तो एक बार क्या करते हैं, let us understand where these companies are standing currently. So when we talk about like Cochin Shipyard, I am talking about here Cochin Shipyard. So if you see this stock, if I see the price pattern, you know that no, it has gone up and almost gone by almost 50% down. Okay, almost 2,800 to it has gone to almost 12,000 and 300. Sorry, 1,300. And now from last few days, it has gone up by 20 to 25%. Similarly, it's same of Garden Shipyard, or you can say Bharat Dynamics. Now, here is the catch why it has fallen so much. So when we talk about the P ratio, you see the P ratio, average P ratio was around 10 over the years, but that 10 P ratio gone up to almost 91, 9 times P ratio. और उसमें क्या हुआ, in last 2.5 months this stock fallen and that P ratio gone down to almost 43%. So you can say such a big fall happening. And while the, you can say that 1 minute, I'll just yeah, so you can say that EPS gone up only. You can see here the EPS here. These are the green bar. No, you can see this green bar is nothing but no EPS. Now EPS तो उनका up ही जा रहा था. So basically कहने का मतलब ये है कि this, you can see this is the EPS. So this green one, or sorry, blue one. So as the EPS is going up, okay, and P ratio now falling. Now it is at a level no, where everyone is thinking, okay, ईपीएस बढ़ रहा है, पी रेशियो भी अभी ठीक ठाक हो रहा है, वैल्यूएशन कमिंग डाउन. नाउ again, because they have a great order book, let us start buying this stock. And that is what not only all, most of the analysts are talking about that way. And similarly, if you see here another metrics, if you can, if you want to check it in that way, is like no EV by EBITDA or price to book value. Price to book value भी आप देखो कहाँ था, 12 था, अभी gone down to almost 6, सब कुछ आधा हो गया. Even EV by EBITDA also is another important metrics, gone up to 60, which has gone up to almost 30 earlier. Now it is slowly going up. Similar is the case of Bharat Dynamics. Okay, that stock also, if you see the P ratio, the average P ratio was around, you can say here, no 15, sorry, this is around no 20, 30 something, and it has gone up to almost 117. So you can see what type of no big valuation upsurge happened in these stocks. And then it corrected to almost 60, almost half. और जबकि EPS उनका almost stable है. And this is what is happening for many of the company. Okay, like even for the, which is this company Garden Shipyard, the same thing. So now because this company is fallen so much, now suddenly the value is emerging. Okay, of course, now this is HL ka, you can say no unka itna P ratio gaya nahi tha, but that also fallen. Now the thing is, what is the catch here? The catch here is that because they have a good no order book, again they are working on their profitability margin, everyone is thinking that okay, things will be much better from here. Now two things are there. if that can be a better, the only thing is whether they are able to cater this type of big order book or not, whether they have that type of capacity or not. Capacity, most of the defense company are actually working on it, because इतना बड़ा order book है, लेकिन अगर आपके पास कैपेसिटी नहीं है उसको ऑर्डर बुक को फिल करने की, देन does not make any sense. See, at the end of the day, EPS should go up. EPS should go up and should match with the no whatever valuation is there. So now what has happened? PE gone up, EPS PE gone down, EPS going up, and that is a perfect scenario. In future also, things will be in control only and only if and only if the EPS starts going up, and when that can happen when they are able to cater as many order as possible. अपनी कैपेसिटी बढ़ाएंगे एंड दे आर एबल टू ऑर्डर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे आर वर्किंग ऑन कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. अगेन द बिग थिंग इज दैट नो देयर इज अ सेक्टर टेलविंड, तो वहां कोई इशू नहीं है, वहां कोई इशू नहीं. सेक्टर टेलविंड इज दैट गवर्नमेंट इज फोकसिंग ऑन दैट, तो उनको कोई आगे जाके ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ओनली एज ए इन्वेस्टर नो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट वेदर यू आर गेटिंग इट टू राइट टाइम और नॉट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन 50% वाज डाउन एट दैट टाइम, ऑफ कोर्स काफी वैल्यूएशन कंफर्ट लेवल था. अभी 20-25% बढ़ गया है. तो भी गाइस, I've been telling you for so many times that defense is the area which for next 10 years, 20 years only thing. No, whichever stock you buy, no, you think about whether it is at a right valuation or not. Similarly, now that was all about defense. Now let us talk about some banks also. PSU banks also started coming up. इट्स नॉट ओनली मीन्स डिफेंस तो है, लेकिन काफी सारे पीएसयू में काफी सारी कंपनियां भी ऊपर आने लगी, बिकॉज नो इट्स लाइक अ थीम, वर्किंग एज अ थीम ओनली, नो. एंड लॉट मेनी लाइक एसबीआई, पीएनबी, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ना, no, from last few days has started recovering, and these stocks also fallen a lot because of Adani saga. No, जैसे वो बात आई कि भाई Adani is in a problem bribery case, most of the PSU banks now fallen by almost 8 to 9%, which was not warranted because Adani never defaulted at a loan level. उन्होंने इंटरेस्ट भी दिया था, तो उसके वजह से वो काफी गिर गए थे. बट नाउ अगेन दैट स्टॉक्स आर आल्सो गोइंग अप. सो इफ यू सी द इवन दो द मार्केट इज अगेन फॉलन, these stocks like defense stock, PSU, and mainly PSU banks are again started coming up slowly and gradually. Why? Because the comfort zone is coming at a valuation point of view. As an investor, you always have to see at what valuation you are getting it. I'm not saying that these stocks are not good. These stocks are great, but everything is great based on know at what price you are buying. So uh, even this defense now, अगेन इट हैज गॉन अप. दैट डजंट मीन कि ये तुरंत ही अभी ऑल टाइम हाई टच करेंगे, नहीं. इट विल टेक सम टाइम, इट विल टेक सम टाइम, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि एक रैली आती है, सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, अगेन वो फिजल आउट होती है, अगेन वो ऊपर जाएंगे. तो इट विल बी लाइक अ जिगजैग, नो, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो लाइक दिस. करेक्ट. एंड अगेन अगर वही टॉप पे पहुंच गए तो अगेन उनका वैल्यूएशन तो उतना ही ऊपर चला जाएगा ना, तो विच इज नॉट वारंटेड करंटली. So keep this in mind. But yes, comfort, if you ask me, I think the PSU banks, they have a comfort. Even across PSU banks, there is a across private and PSU banks, there is a comfort. You can see that yesterday what we have spoken about, no, HDFC bank touch all-time high. And that shows that now slowly and gradually things are coming into control. No, these PS banks also not participate earlier. IT has done very well this time, but banks did not participate. So hopefully now from here, banks will also participate, because they also be, see, they are 33% of the Nifty. Unless the banks does not recover, things will be not in a control and Nifty is not going to recover. Of course, the FI selling and all that is happening. वो तो चलता रहेगा, लेकिन ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी है. नाउ एज ए इन्वेस्टर आपको क्या करना है कि आपको एक ही चीज है कि अभी वापस मार्केट गिरा है, तो थोड़ा आपको वापस नो, यू हैव टू थिंक दैट ऑल दिस कंपनीज विच आर फॉलन अ लॉट, विच आर coming at a comfort level, at a valuation point of view. Believe me, this is a long term story. It's never a short term story. Again, रातों रात फिजल हो जाए ऐसे कोई मुझे, if you ask me that defense, is it a big mega trend? Yes, it is going to remain a mega trend, no doubt about it. Only thing is now currently the whatever valuation was there, no, it factored everything. Even renewable is also big mega trend. वहां भी बहुत बड़ा अपसर्ज आने वाला है। रेलवे में भी आएगा। रेलवे भी अगर आप देखो ना, रेलवे के भी काफी सारे स्टॉक्स दे स्टार्टेड रिकवरिंग in after this fall. No, when the Adani no bribery case happened, at that day only, no, most of the PSU stocks made the bottom. उसके बाद पूरी रिकवरी आई है। तो ये सब है। अगर आपको ये बार्गेन लेवल पे मिल रहा है ना, क्योंकि देखो मार्केट तो 10% गिरा है, लेकिन ये सब स्टॉक्स 40 to 50% गिरे हैं। That means something, no, you are getting at a very very cheap level, and that is where the bargain comes into picture. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोला पूरा डाल दो, but yes, start allocating wherever you think that now the things are coming at a comfort zone. You can know invest, guys. If you want to know which stock to invest, you can go and check our stock recommendation series also, because currently the Black Friday offer is going on. I think you should participate in that, because that is when we are giving lot of value, and I know all the prices are much down. And guys, hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, do like it and share it to everyone. Do subscribe and do enroll to our channel without fail. Okay, and this short video was nothing but for the defense and PSU stocks. We'll take some other topic, guys. If you have any question, put it in the comment box. I'll do try to consider a question and answer on it. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for joining, and I'll see you soon in the next video.